So artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks typically requires an human intelligence. This can include things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. In simpler terms, AI is when machines are made to think and act like human. That is just the mini definition of artificial intelligence. I try to limit it to a very simple form whereby any layman can understand. The ability of a machine, of your laptop, of your phone, of your tablet to think like an human, act like an human, and perform intelligent tasks just like an human. That is what artificial intelligence is all about. And if you look at almost everything that we have now present on Earth, they've infused artificial intelligence to it in one way or the other. Televisions now there are televisions now that are powered by artificial intelligence. There are cars that are powered by artificial intelligence. In short, there are waiters in eateries that are powered by artificial intelligence. There are some eateries now in Saudi Arabia that are dominated by robots. There are no human there at all. The robot will serve the food, take the food to the order, take the right order to the person. So that is how far artificial intelligence has gone. The ability of a computer to think like an human and act like a human, that you will not even suspect that this is not an human performing the task. That is what artificial intelligence is all about in summary. So now we're talking about artificial intelligence and human, the relationship between artificial intelligence and human. In relation to human, AI has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. This can lead to increased productivity and efficiency in various industries. If you look at your banking app, most of our banking websites now and apps, when you go there to chat, you click on live chat. When you start chatting, someone will ask you, what is your name? You tell the person your name. What is your account number? What is your location? That is an artificial intelligence machine representing an human in that process. Even there are artificial intelligence machine now that can help you process a transfer, a bank transfer. You just input your name, input your account number, input the account number you're sending to, and it will process the transaction for you. That is how far artificial intelligence has helped in automating the process, making it easier for human to relax more and do the more tedious roles. So the humans now are left, okay, when you now complain to the chatbot that, okay, yes, everything is fine, but somebody just removed 10,000 from my account. The chatbot will now ask you, come again. Somebody just removed 10,000. I need to find a way to block the person now. Okay, he will now tell you, I don't have an answer for this. I would like to transfer you to a customer care attendant. That is what we call automation. The ability for the machine to be able to free people from the repetitive task and help them do them. That's how automation has worked. In healthcare, which is the second I have on my list here, AI can be used to analyze medical data, assist in diagnostics, and even develop new treatments. This has the potential to improve healthcare outcomes and make medical services more accessible. Now, when you go to hospitals, there are so many machines used for scan, for diagnosis, that they will just place it on the person, and once the machine reads it, it will tell, okay, this person has so level of sugar, so level of cancer, This person is so level stage of cancer. This is what I propose that we can do. This is what I suggest us to do. Those are artificial intelligence that have been trained. They have imputed informations and data into them. So they can know that, the machine can easily know that when somebody has this this number, this type of what do we call it? Temperature. When he has a 120 degree of temperature, he has a 130 degree of this and that. This is what can cause it, and these are the solution. That is how artificial intelligence have helped in the healthcare session. That is how artificial intelligence has helped in the healthcare session. So in education, AI-powered tools can personalize learning experience, cater to individuals' students' needs, and provide new avenues for interactive and engaging education. When I was asking the other time about who amongst us have used Canva, I got on the chat box from one of the respondents that she has used it for several projects. That is what AI can do in terms of education. Now, people are now becoming lazy, because when you have difficulties in solving some questions that are too technical for you, just type them into your chatbot, type them into your ChatGPT, type them into your Jasper, type them into your AI bot. You get your responses, you get an answer that is, most times it is 90% accurate. Most times it is 90% accurate. So those things have really helped with education. So you can just relax and say, oh, I have an assignment next tomorrow, and you wait till 5 minutes before the time to start rushing it, because you know you have an assistant that can help you make things faster. That is what artificial intelligence has done for us. Transportation. AI is driving innovation in autonomous vehicles, which have the potential to make transportation safer, more efficient, and accessible to a wider population. I want to know if you're following me in the chat box. Have you ever heard of cars without driver? Have you seen one online? A car that has no driver. I want to know if you are really following the trend. Have you seen cars with no drivers? Yes, Tesla. Okay. Okay, yes, popular in Dubai. Yes, yes. They are in China now. You have buses in China that do not have drivers. I can see some people raising their hands. Do we have questions, or I want us to keep our questions to the end of this presentation? But if you have a question that is urgent, you can drop it in the chat box. You can drop it in the chat box. So there are cars now. Okay, thank you, King Saudi Life. So there are cars now that they will take you from your house to wherever you are going to, and nobody is driving.